we're now going to look at the operational use of an escape set. First of all, how to carry the escape set. It goes over your head and an arm through the shoulder strap. You must ensure that it is worn so that the opening mechanism of the escape set is easily accessible. Avoid putting the escape set on so that the opening mechanism is out of reach. To open the set, you grasp hold of the release handle and pull upwards. This will release the firing pin. With the face mask type, there will be no airflow at this point. The masks are usually stored with the head harness over the visor. This enables you to put the escape set on prior to removing your helmet. As soon as you put the face mask on, take a breath and it will deliver air. At this point, you can now remove your helmet. Once you have removed your helmet, you can pull the head harness over your head and adjust it as required. Take several breaths, hold your breath. This will indicate whether it's leaking. If you can hear any air escaping, readjust the head harness. If you move your head about several times, it will ensure there is a seal. You can now replace the helmet. It is important that you replace your helmet prior to escape to prevent head injury. Once your helmet is fitted, you can exit the space calmly. To remove the set, first of all, you must take off your helmet. Reset the demand valve by pressing the red button. Take a breath and press. Release the head straps by pulling the buckles sideways and remove the face mask.